So I think it's a Citroen. Ah! But it's a complete car. If you look at it from here, it's literally hanging over the edge. If you look down there, the bonnet, it's massive, the bonnet.
Yeah, I wonder what sort of car it was. I'd say 50s.
50s or 60s.
Right, is it been crushed or is it just crashed?
It's all there. Bumpers.
Upside down.
Is it? The radiator's mint. If you look at the core.
How on earth did it get here?
Ooh.
Glove box, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like it's folded in half on it.
And this, the dash panel here with all the switches. Yeah, the engine, gearbox, the carburetor.
Yeah.
There's the other wing.
It's a mystery. I think it's probably beyond repair.
There's a door down there as well.